Shoot for the stars. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And our idiom or expression today is shoot for the stars. And I was frustrated a little bit because I was unable to determine what the origin of this particular idiom is. You know, stars have been around since the world and mankind and the universe. So it's probably one of those age-old sayings that has been used to encourage us to set high goals, aim high. And there are so many quotes around this reach for the stars, shoot for the stars, about setting BHAGs, big, hairy, audacious goals, goals that seem outrageous and amazing to anybody if you told them. And usually we keep our BHAGs to ourselves, right? We keep our big, hairy, audacious goals to ourselves. I believe that there is a pretty good percentage of the population that wants to make the world a better place. But few of us will tell people, hey, I'm all about making the world a better place. I'm here to create what I can in the world to have a positive impact and a positive intent. So reaching for the stars, shooting for the stars means that we aim for success. We aim for great achievement. We aim to make a difference here on planet Earth. And most of our businesses, if we're growing and building and supersizing them, it's because we want to make a positive impact. We want to make the world a better place. We want to set huge goals that other people would cringe at because they don't think it's possible for them, not because they don't believe it's necessarily possible for us. Usually when people discourage us about something, it's not because we don't have the ability to do something or achieve something. It's because they don't believe that they could do it themselves. And if we keep that in mind, no matter what people say, it just kind of bounces off of us. So what are some of the ways that we can go about shooting for the stars as we build and grow and supersize our business? Number one, why would we even want to do that? I say because even if we miss our big, hairy, audacious goals and our shots at the stars, we're still going to go and achieve way more than if we had just set little, small, tiny, realistic baby step goals, right? We're talking about goals this year in this year's annual challenge. I do an annual challenge, and frankly, most people tell me I'm insane because I do an annual challenge, because the vast majority of the people on the planet will not do an annual challenge. They might do a few days. And I experienced this early on when I was involved in a year-long do a live video every day group. We had a group of us, about 100 of us started out, and 6 or 7 of us actually finished the year. So that tells you about the percentage of people that will actually follow through and do long-term what they say they're going to do. And that statistic is true of just about everything in life. It's a lot like the Pareto principle, the 80-20 rule. It applies to so many things. This is true as well, which took me a long time to learn, especially in coaching and client situations. No matter what information and how you coach and how you teach people, there's only a small percentage of people that will take action, that will do what they say they're going to do, that really want to supersize and grow their business. So the reason we want to do it is because the bigger thing we shoot for, the more chance we have of achieving it and the more chance we have of success. How do we go about doing that? How I do it is I visualize. I visualize as if anything is possible and work backwards from there to create what it is that I want in my businesses. I also have a philosophy of open-mindedness, looking for opportunities, continuous improvement, and growth in absolutely everything that I do. Do I grow in all ways? No. But am I striving to? And when I notice it, because a lot of things we just don't notice about ourselves and our businesses, then I address it and I start to continually improve it. We, again, talked about wanting to make a positive impact. And the way we do that is by making the world a better place. We intend to make a positive impact on the world. And that's why we want to supersize and grow our business. We want to be the example for other people and other businesses as to what is possible. What is possible in an ethical, moral, positive, make the world a better place way. So love to know your experience with this particular idiom or expression. I know that when I've set realistic small goals, I've achieved them, but they felt really, really hollow. And when I'm going for the big, hairy, audacious goals, even if I miss it based on the time that I set for myself, I still get way further toward that goal and objective than if I hadn't set that big goal in the first place. Love to know how this has worked out in your life. Hit me up. Otherwise, have an awesome day heading into a holiday weekend. I wish you the best, safest, most amazing weekend. And if I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow.